you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a few changes that I've done after building the run. If you notice, this is different right here, so if you like to see what I did, then stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so after I put down all of the new sod here and it was looking really nice, about a month later, all of the whole area of sod just started to die little by little until it was completely dead. So I had to rip it up and it was just dirt here and it just looked bad. Like, I just didn't like looking at dirt anymore. So instead of putting in grass, it's going to just keep continuing to die maybe, I just switched it up and went ahead and added the rock. So I put the small rock through here, added the planters, safe for the chickens to be eating. That is the cutest little rooster that I found at Lowe's. Did a few little things, so if you would like to see how I did all of this from start to finish, then here you go. Okay, you guys, so we made it to Home Depot. I do need to go and get about 10 more bags of rocks so I can finish that one area to finally be done with that. And I'm super excited to get the place done. So let's go see what kind of flowers we're going to get and get the rocks so we can get back home and finish that area. The last time I came, I completely forgot my phone, so I didn't have my list on what's good for chickens to actually be eating. So now I came prepared. So let's go and see what we find. Okay, so successfully we made it, and now we got to put everything away. Okay, so Lowe's trip was a whole lot better since I knew I didn't need a whole lot. I just put her in. Say hi. I just put her up there. I did get a different color of the marigolds, which I think that is a very pretty color, especially right now for fall. And then I found 6 of the bee balm, so I'll put 3 and 3 to do it in 2 different ones. And then I saw this that was absolutely adorable, and it was a little broken on the bottom, so the guy gave me 10 bucks off. I was like, I'll take it. But it's a chicken. Let me turn it around. It's a chicken. That is so adorable. I think the other 2 layers are laying inside. Let me see if they're minding their own business, each in their own box, or if they are on top of each other. You can't give her her own time? You have your own box. What are you doing, Luna? Silly girl. Okay, so before I start, I just had my 2 layers come out of the house screaming, making their little I laid an egg sound. Sorry, there's a trash can. So let's go ahead and see what kind of collection we can collect before we start on the new project. There's my 2 layers. Yes, you're gonna be a show off. And all right, we have one big one over there and one over here. So I have a double from Luna and a single from Ginger. Ooh, this is freshly warm and huge. Oh my God, look how big that is. Compared. Love it. Okay, so I have my car all unloaded. I have all the flowers out. I took all the packaging off of the buckets and turned them upside down so he can drill some holes in there for me. And this is the area that was all sod that is now all dead. So I took all of the weeds and everything out that was growing. And now I'm just gonna put the liner down and we're going to fill it in with rocks and some flowers and try to make it look like a nice area again, so I'm not looking at dirt. So let's get to working. So he went around with his drill bit and he just put some holes down in the center, and then he went around afterwards and went around the outside as well. So we have holes going in the center and the outside, and they will be sitting on the rocks when I'm done. Once all the holes were drilled, I went ahead and turned the buckets right side up, filled them all with potting soil, and then put in the plants. I did 2 of them with yellow marigolds, 1 of them with the orangish fall color, and 2 of them I filled in with bee balm. So I have my little helper. They're now all planted. Now the sun has covered this area, so now I can start working over there. I first lay down the liner and then I level the area so the bricks are going to be completely level underneath, and then I tuck it under. And then after I'm done with this, I will lay the rocks on top. Once I level the rocks, I rinse them off, give them a nice good coat, and then I set my pots down and I'm done. I still have my helper out here. She thinks we're going inside. But I went ahead and moved my rooster and hen to this bigger squared area here and just put the duck over there. I'm gonna grab another one of these sets of these little, I don't know, whatever those yard things are. But here are the plants. The rocks are down, so today is done. I just need to grab one more sets of those and then I'm done. But I put the duck over here instead. The other two were just crammed up in the corner. I think they stand out better here in the front. But I'm gonna grab another set so I can put another two in the corner of those things right there. So I'll put one there and I'll put one there. Okay, you guys, so this is the final outcome. I couldn't be more proud of how it turned out, to be honest. I'm not normally one to toot my own horn, but toot motherfucking toot. I think it turned out absolutely amazing. I mean, I thought it looked good before with the sod, so there's a reason why it died. Things always happen for a reason. I think this looks so much better. I mean, we're having such a beautiful day. This just looks like fall. We finally feel like fall, and I can't be more happier. Vienna, say hi, baby. Say hi. So I went ahead and bought the second set that I was talking about. So I have the two here. One of them is still over there with the duck. And I leveled all of the bricks so they would be level with here. Same thing as I did here, because I'm the one that leveled this whole circle that goes around and all of the partition. The people that actually installed just did the outside perimeter. So I made sure that it was level with everything else that I was doing, put the liner underneath so no weeds and stuff will come up. And I, again, am just super, super happy with the outcome. There's two of my girls. One of them, Carmela, she's actually in the house. Today's her second day laying an egg. So I hear her in there making some sounds. But now I have all full 3 little ladies and they're all laying eggs. Yesterday was the first day that I got all 3. I was super, super excited to have 3. And I'm just so proud of my little girls. I'm proud of the work that we've done. And again, I couldn't be more happier with the outcome. I just think it looks so much better. Like, I just love sitting in my living room and just looking out here, watching them play, looking at how it looks. And in time, obviously the flowers I can replant. Worst case scenario, I could put artificial in if I wanted to. These succulents I can replace. I can put in fake if I want. I can do anything I want. That's the beauty in pots. I can change them, switch them, change the colors, do whatever I want. But I am just extremely, extremely pleased. Hi, Ginger. Hi, Luna. I'm so, so pleased with how it looks. And again, I did the small rock in between here to match all the small rock that I did in here. And then the thicker rock goes around and in here. And there we go again. And again, that is how it looks. All right, you guys, so that is how I completed and finished now this area for the second time and hopefully the last time. But I just feel that it just looks so much better and I'm so happy with this area and how it looks. So let me know down below, would you have done something different? Did you like the way that I did this to separate it and just make it look a lot nicer? Definitely let me know. Your positive interaction, it means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.